buying a fixer. What a pain. Trust me, turnkey equals stress-free. Take a look at that. This is what I'm talking about, a turnkey home. Welcome to 4015 Wesley Way in Sobrante. This lovely home recently updated with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage, spacious, functional backyard, has a lot to offer. Are you ready to take a look? Let's do it. As you enter through the orange door, you're greeted by an inviting floor plan. There's so much natural light throughout. Gleaming roof floor, recessed lighting, cozy fireplace, remodeled kitchen, new appliances, quartz countertop, updated baths, new vanities, generous sized bedrooms, lots of storage, and much more. So, how you like the house so far? And there's more. What a functional and level backyard. Whether you enjoy to entertain, a garden lover, looking to expand in the future, there's so much potential here. See, turnkey's better, right? Thanks for taking the tour, guys. I can't wait to show you in person. We are located at 4015 Wesley Way in Sobrante. For more information, please check our website or give us a call. We can't wait to see you here. Are you ready to take a look? Let's do it. This never happened.